You're gearing up for a big city move, but your new place? Well, let's just say it's a tad on the cozy side. But don't worry, we've all been there. Fear not, with a dash of wit, a sprinkle of savvy, and a pinch of creativity, we're about to turn this pint-sized pad into your ultimate urban oasis. Get organized from the get-go. First things first, let's talk about organization. Time to channel your inner Marie Kondo and declutter like a pro. But hey, Rome wasn't decluttered in a day. So start early, use a handy moving checklist, and tackle those piles of stuff one room at a time. Trust me, you'll feel lighter with every item you check off. Now on to the art of decluttering without the overwhelm. Got some treasures you're not quite ready to part with? No problem. Offer them up to friends, sell them online for some extra cash, or donate to a good cause. Remember, one person's clutter is another person's treasure. Next up, let's talk about kitchen conundrum. Do you really need 5 different gadgets for making rice? Spoiler alert. Probably not. Embrace the minimalist mantra and keep only the essentials, and make way for culinary creativity. Decide on your non-negotiable tangibles. Now on to the heart of the matter. Your prized possessions. Sure, some things may not be the most practical, but if they bring you joy, they're worth keeping. Digitize to downsize. Say goodbye to paper mountains and hello to digital zen. Digitalize those docs, streamline your space, and embrace the clutter-free life. Your future self will thank you. And speaking of space, let's talk about furniture. Before you huff and puff up those stairs, take a moment to evaluate. Can that clunky dresser pull its weight? Consider multifunctional marvels that make every square inch count. Last but not least, let's get the logistics squared away. Measure twice, move once, as they say. Know your elevator situation, parking options, and any building rules. With a bit of prep, you'll breeze through a moving day like a pro.